If you're worried about the wrinkles and the thin skin under your eyes that's aging faster than the skin anywhere else on your face, on your body, then understand that just about everyone, literally everyone, has thin skin under their eyes. The skin in this area tends to be sensitive and thinner with less fat underneath right here. It is more delicate, and that is why aging, fatigue, sleep habits, stress, skincare awareness, expressions, and there are so many other reasons that tend to age this area faster in some people more than the other. In my videos, I help you improve the appearance of not just your aging eyes, but your face and your body. So subscribing to my channel, Blush with Me, Parmita, is a good idea. So today's video is for you if the plumpness and the thickness of the skin in this area under your eyes is getting thinner, drier, and loosening its firmness. Welcome to Blush with Me. Tip number 1. These are flax seeds, and I'm going to tell you about flax seed gel that I make from these seeds. Flax seed gel for the face works as an anti-aging gel that removes dead cells. Research shows the omega-3 fatty acids present in this skin gel prevent it from drying and loosening. They help the epidermis, or the internal skin layer, retain water, making your skin look plumper. What happens when your skin internally looks and gets plumper? Your skin on the outside too looks plumper. So this gel prevents wrinkles and fine lines on your face. So this flaxseed gel is incredibly easy to make. So follow these simple steps. Soak about 1/4 cup of flaxseed gel in like 2 cups of water overnight. So this 1/4 cup of flaxseed will give you quite a bit of gel. So after you have soaked it overnight, bring this to a boil, and once you start seeing that white froth forming, reduce the heat and simmer it for about 5 minutes. The longer you cook it, you'll notice that this gel becomes thicker and it continues to get thicker. When you notice that it starts to get a little stringy, consider it ready and strain it while it is hot. Don't wait for it to cool down before you strain it, because as it cools, this gel will start to thicken up and you won't be able to strain it. Flax seeds are also rich in vital nutrients like vitamin B, E, iron, magnesium, etc. So it really conditions and nourishes your skin. It has amazing healing and moisturizing properties. You got to try it to believe how good this one single ingredient can be. While this gel is still warm, I apply it under my eyes. I actually apply it all over my face, but since we are talking about eyes, it is very helpful if you just tap it around your eyes and let it thicken up. Like as it cools, it will start to thicken up like a face mask. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes and take it off. And when you regularly use this eye mask or face mask, you will notice that flax seeds that are rich in vital nutrients like vitamin B, E, iron, magnesium, etc., how beautifully they condition and nourish your skin. They have these healing properties that moisturize your skin and help your thinning skin get a little bit thicker. Tip number 2, more and more people are coming to me to learn the benefits of face yoga. So during my customized sessions, I also suggest a lot of skincare tips, and one of them is to use hyaluronic acid the right way. It is such a popular ingredient, yet a lot of people do not know how to use it the right way. So learning to use the right product the right way can give you great benefits when performed with face yoga exercise that, in my experience, can give you better results than injectable treatments made with hyaluronic acids that are filled under your eyes. Don't just take my word for it, do your own research, and you will notice more and more qualified doctors, surgeons, and successful, experienced aestheticians are also suggesting to avoid any fillers or Botox under your eyes. Now, something like laser resurfacing is a way better solution and definitely gives you a lot more natural looking improvement around your eyes. But a few months ago, I started using Nira Skincare Laser along with their hyaluronic acid serum. It is the first and only painless, non-fractional at-home laser that is proven to reduce wrinkles. So Nira uses the same laser technology as dermatologists to build natural collagen, but for a fraction of the cost, without the harsh side effects and downtime that can come with laser resurfacing that is done with your dermatologist. So I started using this combination in November 2021, about 4 months ago. But after seeing the improvement around my eyes, I said, why not experiment with other areas on my face too? Because I read a lot of customer reviews and a lot of them had said that they started seeing an improvement in their dark spots, in their hyperpigmentation, in acne scars, and even lift in their hooded eyes. So although in my December video, which I will link up here for you to watch, you will notice that I used it just under my eye. And it's very easy to use. All you need to do is just use it for 2 minutes, 1 minute under each eye. But now I use it even on my nasolabial folds, right here, around my lip ends, on my age spots, even on my forehead to prevent any signs of aging. Now, why do I trust Neera so much? Because Neera is developed by experts and it is truly one-of-a-kind skincare laser. It's like you're bringing med spa home. And the best part is that they guarantee you younger looking skin in just 90 days or your money back, or your money back, or your money back. You heard that right. Mother's Day is coming up soon and this makes a very thoughtful gift for your loved ones. Since it literally is risk-free to try it for 90 days and watch your skin condition improve, why don't you give it a shot? Why don't you join me in this hashtag 90-day Neera challenge? And you know how Neera is making even more exciting for you? They are offering 30% off when you order this today. Click on the link that you'll find in my description below. You'll find a lot more details in the video that I had filmed when I had just started using it. The video was called How to Boost Collagen Under Your Eyes, linked up here. But to give you a quick roundup, ideally you use Neera skincare laser around your eyes right after you wash your face. Make sure you have no other products, no creams, nothing on your face. I do want to emphasize that the laser treatment gave me much better results when I followed it up with the Hyaluronic Acid Advanced Serum. But guys, do not apply Hyaluronic Acid Serum right after the 2 minute of laser treatment is completed. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant and it works best when your face has some water for it to hold on to. So after the laser treatment, rinse your face, and while it is still damp or even slightly wet, apply the Neera Hyaluronic Acid Serum to your face, followed by your regular moisturizer and sunscreen. This is how I recommend using this combination. I know a lot of people, when they come to me for the customized face yoga session, say that they've been using hyaluronic acid, but it really hasn't worked, or they don't know how to use it the right way. If you want me to show you step-by-step skincare routine using hyaluronic acid, how to use it, when to use it, how much to use it, how not to use it, then let me know in the comments section below, because I think that's a very important piece of information to use this extremely powerful and effective skincare ingredient product the right way. Now, once you add this third tip that I'm about to suggest, you will find not just 1 or 2 changes in your under eyes, but you will see multiple improvements in your appearance of your under eye area. That is a very simple and easy exercise to strengthen the underlying muscles around your under eye area. Start doing this with me and I'll tell you how this exercise can help. So once you apply your hyaluronic acid serum and your eye cream, place your 3 fingers on your orbital bone. So this is your orbital bone, meaning your fingers should at least be about ½ an inch away from your lower lash line. And I want you to feel this bone here, not the hollowness. So you see, this is not what should happen to your eyes. Please make sure that your under eyes are lubricated and they have some glide. Make sure you do not perform these exercises right after washing your face or when your face, especially this area, is dry. Gently anchor the orbital bone with your 3 fingers like this. And now roll your eyeballs up. This will automatically stretch your under eye area. Now step 2 is for you to lift your under eye area as if it is trying to go meet the upper lash line. Perform this exercise for anywhere up to 20 to 30 counts at a time per day. If your fingers aren't firm enough, this is what will happen. So make sure your fingers are firmly anchored. So when you're performing this exercise, notice that when you regularly blink, it's only your upper eyelid that is moving up and down. The muscles under eye area have barely ever worked in their whole lifetime. With this exercise, you're teaching those weak under eye muscles to work out and become stronger. It's almost like you're teaching these weak muscles to do pull-ups. This will also promote blood circulation, replenish the cells with oxygen and nutrition, and stimulate skin cell regeneration, helping you look naturally radiant. Face exercises when done the right way, and I cannot insist enough on performing them the right way, because when people come to me and I see them doing the exercises the wrong way, it can actually have adverse effects on the results that you're seeking. It is very similar to learning yoga or any kind of workout for your body. If you don't get coached the right way with an instructor, your body doesn't get the results you're seeking. If you're someone who has already started noticing a lot of wrinkles and skin thinning around your under eye area, and then you're performing this exercise that I just suggested, then I suggest that you pull your under eye area just a tad bit more when you're performing this exercise, just a tad bit. So instead of this, just this, but don't land up doing this. Okay, so you have just learned 3 very important and effective ways to tighten skin under your eyes. A very simple home remedy with 1 ingredient that you can find in your house, and 2 easy and effective way to bring cost-effective skincare laser home, and the third one is to go on a deeper level and exercise the underlying muscles. I always say that muscles under your skin are like a mattress, right? Once the mattress loses its firmness, it is very hard for the bed sheet to stay stretched and firm in its own place. Everyone's skin is different, their lifestyles are different, their reasons for aging faster than the other are different, which is why your skincare routine or even your face yoga exercise routine should be customized. With our customized one-on-one face yoga sessions, I can help you address the mistakes you could be making that are aging you faster, and then I'll create your specific customized face yoga routine, face massage routines just for you. If you are ready to make that 5 to 8 minute commitment every day with face yoga, then let me be your face yoga coach. On my website, you'll find a contact form. Once you fill that form, someone from my team will get in touch with you and answer all your questions that you may have about how this whole process works. My website is parmitakatkar.com. Go check out my playlist for face yoga as well as watch yourself change and look younger. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to show you the benefits of that magic ingredient, flax seed, that I talked about in today's video a little bit more, or about another magic ingredient, ginger. I've started including ginger a lot more in different ways in my skincare routine, and I cannot tell you how amazing this single ingredient treatment or multiple treatments that I create with it can be. One of the ginger hacks that I'll be showing you is shared by one of you viewers. If my content interests you, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell icon you see next to it. Then hit that like button and don't forget to tell me which tip from today was your favorite. I know a lot of you try your own skincare remedies, or you have something that was handed down to you by your mother or grandmother that you swear by. I want you to share that with me. I will try it, and if it really works well, it will be on my channel. So make good use of that comment section below. Connect. That's what we are here for. So here are all my other social media handles. Do follow me here, 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 and here. Share my video with more and more women and help them look better for their age. This is Parmita signing off for today, and I will see you next week like I always do. Until then, blush with me.